We are here with the Alicia Souza Ultimate Planner. I was waiting for this for so long. We did a launch day, like a walkthrough. I have that video linked in the cards and the description. But let's look at what actually comes in the planner box. First up, gorgeous colors, which are very signature Alicia. Let's take a closer look at the box. Look at all the illustrations. There definitely is always a little thank you card, which is so cute, and all of her like classic characters are on it. And then we have this box which is quite sturdy, and every planner needs like a proper planner box so that you can carry all the supplies all together. So this is absolutely perfect for that. The embellishments and the embossing is very elegant and classy. So now you have the another thank you card, again great quality cardstock paper. You have a little pocket planner. I love this glossy feeling, and look at the gold foil, little love and hope. It is so beautiful, and I really like the size is perfect to just like toss in your bag. It has your 2026 and 2027 annual calendars, and this is the marking of the first quarter. I really like how she does an illustration on top of a real photograph. That design really appeals to me. Then you have the quarterly like page where you have the notes, grateful for, doodle point. Then you have your January, February, and March calendars, which are pretty decent monthly grids with note sections. Then you have quarter two, and it follows the same format. For you have important dates and space for doodling. Again, you go the same way for April, May, June. Next you have quarter three, and I like how the colors change up depending on like season and how you generally tend to feel. And here you have the final quarter of the year. So it is quite neatly like packed. It has all the essentials. It has bunch of note pages and a scalloped pocket page. I really like this new scallop design that is there throughout all of her products this year. Then you have the sticker book, of course, really glossy, really nice finishing. Then you have very cute and very interesting thematic stickers on this. You have like what is a priority friend date, a coffee date, what is like a chore day. You also have like some water intake, or remember to save, payday, the bills, things you will be using every month or very regularly. And then you have these gold foil stickers also for special occasions. Then you have the final planner. So look at that gorgeous bright yellow. It is so beautiful. Look at the designs. It has golden corners as well. It feels really great in the hand. It starts off with just a basic information page, and it also has all the holidays. I really like that she includes all of the Indian holidays as well. Then you have the full year view of 2026 and 2027, very easy for yearly planning. You also have a mini vision board. I like that there is only one page for this, so you don't go overboard with all the photographs and stickers. It really lets you focus. Then you have the letter from you. I've been doing this since 2020. You just write down everything that you want your future self to know, and this is the envelope page for that. You kind of cut along those lines, and you also have a little like stamp for that envelope. It's a really cute keepsake. You have 2026 goals, which are friends, family, personal relationships, health and wellness, career, school, and others. And then you also have an ideal day routine: morning, afternoon, evening, and night. I really like this addition to the spreads, and I like that this is something that you wouldn't normally get if you were looking at it from just the online view, because this photograph is not added. Then you have the scalloped like markers for each of the month. I like that all of it is kind of tucked into the borders and nothing is jutting out. You have highlights, favorite memories, growth, things to remember this month. And for January you also have intentions, top priorities, and quote of the month. Then you get to your monthly spread. Each of the grids are pretty big enough, and you also get some notes sections, which is it's quite spacious as a monthly layout. Then you have like a bigger area for notes, and then you start Thursday to Sunday. This is where I usually have an issue with Alicia Souza, because she never does a Monday start week, but it looks like this year we might be getting a Monday start week. It I'm just so ecstatic because everything else is great with this planner. But finally we do have like horizontal weeklies, 2 pages for 1 week, and a note section. We also have a monthly habit tracker. I like that she has space for just 3 habits. In the first couple of versions she used to have like 8 9 habits, which is quite unrealistic. You also get a period tracker with flow, mood, symptom tracker, which is again great. You have more notes and to more of, do less of. Finally, the to-do list is something which I absolutely love in this planner, because there's a personal or home and a work to-do list, and this kind of how I section out my to-do lists anyway. You also have different priority sections of priority, top priority, and like less priority. Then you come to a meal planning section. Again, I feel like this space is too little for any proper meal planning, but definitely I might be using it to plan out my lunches on the days that I do go to office, because others are kind of streamlined. So maybe just to mix it up. And the notes section will be the grocery list, and you have another blank dot grid page for taking more notes. Here you have really cute page markers for the other months. Again, every month obviously will have a different theme, different artwork, but I really like the amount of space we are getting. Even for the weekly section, pretty decent amount of area to write and decorate and put stickers in and everything. So I don't think that will be an issue. The colors are also a little like more pastel than really like jumping at you, so your writing and your planning will actually be the focus. And even though these colors are really bright, they will not, like, like take away from the functionality of the planner. This is what I really like about this year's Alicia Souza planner. You get a bunch of notes pages at the end after all the months are done, and you also get a little nice pocket and 2 very unique bookmarks. I really like that she adds those design elements into the bookmarks as well. You will never lose your page with these super cute bookmarks. And they, if you notice, they don't actually go all the way to the binding. They kind of stay somewhere in the middle, which I think makes it easier to flip to the page without too much hassle. And of course you also have that bright pink pen loop at the end. Yeah, I mean, that is the planner. It looks gorgeous. I knew I was going to get the soft bound version, and I feel like I've made the right decision. I don't know if this is going to be my daily driver planner yet, but it is a solid contender. If you want to know what's going to be in my planner stack for 2026, keep watching this channel, stay tuned, subscribe for more updates, and I will see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to watch my planner walkthrough videos, where I take you through all the new planner launches and whatever is happening in the planner community. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.